Geometrical interpretation of nth roots. Cube roots of unity are 1 omega omega square. There are 3 roots. They are 1 omega omega square. 3 cube roots of unity. Unity means 1. Okay. That is 1 power 1 by 3. If we take x power n as 1, x is equal to 1 power 1 by n. This is called nth root of unity. It has 3 values. They are 1 omega omega square. Here omega is minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square is same minus 1 by 2 here also, same terms, but only difference is minus. In other words, if you write it as this form, cos is minus, sin is plus. So this comes in second quadrant. That's why cos 2 pi by 3, sin 2 pi by 3. This is nothing but cis 2 pi by 3. If you put square to this, apply de Moivre's theorem, it will become 2 2s are 4, no? So 4 pi by 3. That is cis 4 pi by 3. Omega square can be written as cis 4 pi by 3. Nth roots of a complex number if z taken, which is in form of cis theta, then its nth roots are r power 1 by n cis 2k pi plus theta by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. till n minus 1. These values are n. They are beginning from 0 to n minus 1. Total n. Okay. So nth roots are n. They are in this form to a complex number. Now nth roots of unity. Here nth root of a complex number. Here nth root of unity. Nth roots of unity means unity. Already I have explained you in first point. Cube root of unity is nothing but 1 power 1 by 3 here. That is x cube is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 power 1 by 3. So this is cube root of unity. Nth root of unity means this first point. That is x power n if taken as 1. X is equal to 1 power 1 by n. This is called nth root of unity. It has n values. They are these 1 alpha, alpha square, alpha cube up to alpha power n minus 1, where alpha is equal to cis 2 pi by n. We apply this point to first one, that is cube root of unity. If suppose n is 3 here, first point, n is 3, then the roots, that is the values of cube root is only 3. They are 1 omega omega square. There is 3, so 3 minus 1. Up to 3 minus 1 we should take. Here n up to n minus 1 we should take. So first one is always 1 here. And this is in this form. See, cis 2 pi by 3 in first point. Cis 2 pi by 3. Cube root by 3. Nth root by n. Next point is fourth point. Nth root of unity. Nth roots of unity which are said here are in GP always. So you can see that form here also. 1 omega omega square omega cube, all these till omega power n minus 1. This is in GP, geometric progression. That is common ratio is same here. Omega by 1 is equal to omega square by omega. You get same common ratio, which is omega. A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. In 10th class we have learnt about GP. Okay. Next, sum of nth roots of unity, that is, if you make total of all these, you get 0. So cube roots of unity are what in first point? They are 1 omega omega square. Do total, that is total of all these three. 1 plus omega square becomes 0. So sum of nth roots of unity is 0. Product of nth roots of unity is this formula. Minus 1 whole power n minus 1. So when you multiply first 1 cube roots, that is 1 into omega square, omega cube will become minus 1 power 3 minus 1, minus 1 power 2, that is minus 1 whole square means plus 1, that is omega cube is 1. Okay, we will use them in our exercise problems. Next point is 7th point, de Moivre's theorem. So in the first video, in synopsis, we have learnt de Moivre's theorem for integral index. Here it is rational index. That is p by q is a rational number here. So q is greater than 1 here. This is the condition. Then this is qth root of this. Qth root means by q. Okay. So indirectly it is p by q actually. So by q is taken inside. It will become like this. If you take p also to inside, it will become p by q. P by q theta plus I sin p by q theta. This is a qth root of this. Okay. And now geometrical interpretation for cube roots of unity. If you want to show it as a diagram, you can show like this. Take a plane, draw a unit circle. What is meaning of unit circle? Unit circle is nothing but a circle which has origin as center and radius is 1 unit. That is unit radius having center as origin. Then it is said to be unit circle. So take a unit circle and draw an equilateral triangle inscribed in it. This is an equilateral triangle for which all three sides are same. Then these three vertices are said to be cube roots. 1 omega square. Cube roots of unity are the vertices of an equilateral triangle which is inscribed in a circle of unit radius and having center at origin. So this is vertex 1, this is omega, this is omega square. Dear students, don't forget 1 can be written as 1, 0. This is a, if treated as a complex number, 1 can be written as 1, 0. How? 1 can be written as 1 plus I into 0. When you write it in point form, it will become 1, 0. In the same way, omega, already I have told you the value of omega, minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. If you write it in point form, you get a minus half comma root 3 by 2. You can see this here. In the same way, omega square also. Okay. What is omega square? Omega square is also minus half minus I root 3 by 2. So you can write it in point form as minus half comma minus root 3 by 2, which is here. So this is a plane, organ plane, in which this is a real axis, this is imaginary axis. In the chapter complex numbers, we have discussed all those. So we can represent those like this. This is an equilateral triangle in a unit circle. Center is origin here. That is origin is center. Okay. So you can represent 1 omega, these cube roots of unity like this. Okay. And coming to 9th point, yeah, 1 plus omega square is 0. This is used in our exercise problems. This one also. Omega cube is equal to 1. That is product of cube roots of unity is minus 1 whole power minus 1 whole power n minus 1. 3 minus 1. That is 1. You can see this formula which is said now in 6th point. Product is minus 1 whole power n minus 1. Minus 1 whole power, here n means cube root, 3 minus 1. So you get 1. And also in the same 5th point, there is sum of nth roots of unity is 0. So here cube roots of unity, sum is 0. Sum means plus. Now last one, 10th one. The cube roots of unity of positive real number a. If suppose you take a number a, for this number a, what are cube roots? They are a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 omega, a power 1 by 3 omega square. Example. So let us take an example. If suppose that is cube roots of 8. What are the cube roots of 8? Answer is 8 power 1 by 3, 8 power 1 by 3 omega, 8 power 1 by 3 omega square. What is 8 power 1 by 3? Is nothing but 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. So 2. So here answer is 2 comma 2 omega comma 2 omega square. This is also asked for 1 mark. Okay. So dear Sweros, I hope you understood all these points, which are very useful in our coming exercise problems. Thank you.